In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PayPal account to TikTok so you can receive your payouts more easily. First, open the TikTok app and log in. Go to your profile, then tap the menu icon in the top corner and choose Settings and Privacy. From here, look for sections like Creator Tools, Balance, or TikTok Shop depending on how you earn on TikTok. If you're using things like the Creator Fund/Creativity Program, Live Gifts, or TikTok Shop, go into that section and look for a Balance, Earnings, or Withdraw button. Tap Withdraw, then choose Add Payment Method or Manage Payment Methods. Now, if PayPal is supported in your region, and for that feature, you'll see PayPal as an option. Select it, enter the email address linked to your PayPal account, and confirm. Make sure the email is correct, because this is where your money will be sent. After linking, you can usually do a small test withdrawal to confirm everything works. If PayPal doesn't appear as an option, it likely means it's not available for your country or for that specific TikTok earning program. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.